Hello everyone, welcome back to our online news source channel. First and foremost, I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering support. Your viewership and encouragement inspire me to continue sharing valuable content on financial education. If you believe in the power of financial knowledge, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your loved ones to spread more financial knowledge. Your support fuels my passion for creating more informative videos. Before we dive into today's topic, let's take a moment to reflect on something that might resonate with many of us. Have you ever observed successful individuals who seem to work less and yet enjoy the fruits of their labor? Have you ever wondered what it would be like if your parents or previous generations had left behind a legacy of income sources, lightening your financial load and allowing you to chase your dreams more freely? We invite you to share your thoughts on this in the comments below. Your perspective matters, and it's an essential step in the journey toward financial empowerment. Now, let's ponder a question: what if you could create wealth not just for yourself but for future generations, providing them with the means to pursue their passions and aspirations? Imagine the possibilities when you approach your financial journey with this mindset. Let's explore how you can make this a reality. It's a powerful thought, isn't it? So, let's embark on this journey together, with the belief that financial security and the ability to fulfill one's dreams are not just for the privileged few. They can be a reality for all of us, with the right knowledge and determination. Now, let's dive into an exciting topic that many of you have been eagerly waiting for: how to generate passive income without any initial investment. Whether you are looking to supplement your current income or embark on a journey to financial independence, these online opportunities can be a game changer. Let's explore how you can create passive income online without any upfront investment. But before we delve into the specifics, let's clarify what passive income truly means. Passive income is like setting up a money-making machine that continues to work for you even while you sleep. It's the dream of earning money without being tethered to a traditional job. So, why is passive income so important? Now, let's delve into the incredible advantages of passive income. Advantages of passive income. Number 1. Financial freedom. Passive income provides you with a steady stream of money that doesn't require constant effort or time investment. This financial cushion can give you the freedom to pursue your passions, make choices based on personal preferences rather than financial constraints, and achieve a higher level of financial independence. Number 2. Flexibility. Once your passive income streams are set up, you have the flexibility to manage your time as you see fit. You can have more control over your schedule, allowing you to spend time on other important aspects of your life, such as family, travel, or personal development. Number 3. Diversification. Relying solely on a traditional 9-to-5 job can be risky, especially during economic uncertainties. Passive income allows you to diversify your sources of income, reducing your reliance on a single income stream. This diversification can enhance your financial stability and resilience. Number 4. Scalability. Many passive income opportunities can be scaled over time. As you gain experience and refine your strategies, you can potentially increase your earnings without proportional increases in effort. This scalability can lead to exponential growth in your income over the long term. Number 5. Wealth building. Passive income serves as a vehicle for wealth creation. By consistently reinvesting your passive income or using it to fund new ventures, investments, or assets, you can accelerate your journey toward achieving your financial goals. Number 6. Reduced stress. Financial stress is a common concern for many. Having reliable passive income streams can alleviate this stress by ensuring a stable income even during periods of job loss or economic downturns. Number 7. Retirement planning. Passive income is particularly beneficial for retirement planning. Building passive income streams allows you to generate income during your retirement years without relying solely on a pension or retirement savings. This can help you maintain your desired lifestyle in your golden years. Number 8. Leveraging your expertise. Passive income often involves leveraging your skills, knowledge, and expertise to create valuable products or services. This can be a rewarding way to share your expertise with a wider audience while generating income. Number 9. Minimal time commitment. While setting up passive income streams may require an initial investment of time and effort, once they are established, they often require minimal ongoing maintenance. This allows you to enjoy the benefits of additional income without being tied to a demanding work schedule. Number 10. Generational wealth. Passive income can be passed on to your heirs, creating a legacy of financial stability and opportunities for future generations. Looking at the advantages of passive income. Are feeling excited to create at least one for yourself, right? Then please stay tuned till the next part. In our next segment, I'll explain various ways to create passive income that require no initial investment. These methods can help you secure an additional income source, build wealth for the future, and ensure financial security for yourself and your loved ones. If you are inspired by the advantages of passive income, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss the next part of our series. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for financial success.